Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, nothing has changed my mind. We're long the markets. You can't fight the trend. So we're long as long-term investors with very passive capital invested in the markets. We're long as short-term traders. I mean, we follow trends. That's the nice thing about technical analysis. If it's trending up, we're long. So there's nothing it needs to prove. This could continue to go on for a long time for all we know. And that's the nice thing about following trends and prices. We don't need to know where the heck it's going. We just need to be able to follow it really well. And that's what we focus on, is if we can identify trends, new strong trends as they form, and we can get in and trade those and manage those positions so we're able to lock in gains, reduce our exposure as it matures, then you're golden. And it eliminates not all, but a huge chunk of the stress, because now you don't care about news. You don't care what the Fed does. You don't care about NVIDIA. All you do is you follow the price and of whatever asset it is, and you trade whatever stage that asset is in or whatever trend it's in. You follow and trade, accordingly.